Today, we're turning the simplest ingredients of spaghetti, onions, garlic, cream, and cheese that transform pantry staples into a rich restaurant-worthy pasta dish that you can make in under 30 minutes to eat by itself or pair with veggies or protein of choice. Stick around because this is comfort food at its finest.
With like the light pasta.
The pasta I like because it has a nice creamy taste to it. That's from when we made the pasta water with the parmesan. So definitely like that. The onion and garlic mixed with it. Chef's kiss. So good. My name is Chef Fran, and today I'm gonna make for you my family's favorite spaghetti dish. And it's super simple, which you could pair with any protein if you like. And if you don't want to use any protein, that's fine as well. We used to make it a lot when we would do our fast. So it's just some olive oil with some minced onions and garlic. So it's a whole clove of garlic, a small whole onion, and red pepper flake to it. And you could pair with any protein you like. Salmon, chicken, beef. So we're just gonna take some pasta water and some Parmesan cheese, some grated Parmesan cheese, and we'll mix that together to make our creamy sauce for the simple pasta. And so now, this is kind of like how I like it. This is the garlic and the onions all minced up. And I already have some olive oil in my pan, and we're gonna begin cooking this. Again, to prevent your pasta from sticking together, you wanna manipulate it by always kind of like churning it and trying to separate it with your tongs if it does try to stick together, because I did not put any oil. We don't want any mushy pasta, right guys? So it is important to have your pasta al dente. And what al dente means is to the bite. So it has a little firmness when you bite into it. Now my pasta is about ready here. And to check if your pasta is ready, I do it the old school way. I usually try to take a little piece like this, and I'll taste it. In here, if it still looks like it's the color of pasta inside, that means it's not cooked yet. It should kind of be like a very pale looking beige. That means it's cooked. So it's really important to see that. Now, you don't throw it on the wall like you've probably been told when you were a kid to throw it on the wall and see if it sticks. That means it's done. That's a no-no. And I'm just gonna give this one more minute, and I am gonna take some pasta water from it. I'm gonna need it to make my olive oil, extra virgin olive oil. I'm going to add a tablespoon of butter to my olive oil. So the key is to just get it to be translucent, but a little light brown above translucent. So we boil our spaghetti, and here's our pasta water. I am actually gonna add a little bit of heavy cream, a little splash, to our pasta water. We're gonna add some grated Parmesan. All the ingredients will be for you in the video. Here are a list of ingredients. And we're gonna whisk this together. First, let me add a little bit of our chipotle. This is that, so there's no salt in here. It's just a lot of flavor and spices. Whisk it, and this is gonna help make our sauce. And then I'm gonna want you to also see how our onions and garlic turning out here. It's starting to get like that little light brown that I was saying. It's a little toasty. See? Here's our vitamin content. Okay, so now we're gonna put our spaghetti in here. I didn't put any oil in our spaghetti cooking it because I knew it would have oil in here with the onions and garlic. And the cream, the pasta water, sauce. So now we're pouring our pasta water that had our Parmesan cheese, heavy cream. Okay, we just put our pasta water that had our Parmesan cheese with the heavy cream, and we're just mixing it, gently tossing it and mixing it. So have that creaminess. It creates that nice emulsified sauce, the creaminess on the pasta. And we're gonna serve him up some pasta. Sprinkle some Parmesan here for you, some for me. So we gotta dress up your pasta, and so we give it a little pop of color, okay?
It looks delicious.
Bon appetit.
Bon appetit. Yeah, they're real nice with like the light pasta.
The pasta I like because it has a nice creamy taste to it. The onion and garlic mixed with it. chef's kiss. So good.
That's a real nice flavor to the pasta.
Something so simple as onion and garlic, it really kind of makes this dish. I mean, obviously, if you don't like one of them, you could omit it, but the marriage of both of them together really works with making that little bit of that, you know, cream sauce. Definitely must try. Again, and you could pair this with any protein. You didn't have to do this with salmon. Like I had said, chicken, beef, pork, or when we used to fast, like I said, we didn't have any meat at all. We would just eat this as a nice, great pasta dish by itself. Thank you for hanging out with Gio and I. We'll see you in our next video. Mwah. And I want to show you my 2 books. If you love salads, here's a book for you. If you love salads. And again, a twist on boring salads. So you get to have a variety and make unique salads. And this book here, Loving Every Bite, just came out. They're both available on Amazon.com. And this has everything in here for everyone. Keto, vegetarian, regular eaters. There's something in here for everyone. And you'll truly enjoy loving every bite of this recipe.